Hi all. In this video, let's learn about POS. POS nothing but product of sum. Product of sums. Here, the name itself says product of sums. Okay. In simple, we can call it as POS is nothing but is equal to and of R terms. Each term each term is a sum R of variables. R of variables. Example, and of Rn terms. Okay, y is equal to a plus b, a plus b bar plus c. See, this is R terms, that means sum. This is also R term, that means sum of variables. What we are doing, we are performing AND operation. AND of R terms. First R, then AND. In simple, first R, then AND. Okay, and we can also define it is formed by multiplying some terms. It's also called it is also called max terms. It is also called max terms represented with represented with capital M. Represented with capital M. Represented with capital M. In simple products, POS is nothing but product of sums. In simple definition, and of R terms, or we can also tell formed by multiplying the sum terms. It is also called max terms represented with M. Next, implementation of POS. Implementation of POS. Implementation of POS. Implementation of the POS forum. Here we know that POS is nothing but product of sums. Let me take one Boolean expression, nothing but POS a plus b, b plus c plus d, a plus d. Okay, here a plus b is what R gate, b plus c is what 3 input R gate, a plus is but 2 input R gate. What we have to do? We have to what we have done? We have multiplied these terms. Multiply in the sense we have to use AND gate. So in simple, see, I am writing like this. This is A, this is B, this is B, C, D, this is A, C. Now what we have done? We have to what you have to do? We have to connect it by using AND gate. Y is equal to A plus B. B plus C plus D, A plus C. Okay. Now this is the implementation of POS form. The terms generated by OR gates are inserted in the AND gate. Next, converting converting to standard converting to standard POS, converting to standard POS. Okay, here it is also called canonical form, canonical POS. Okay, there are some rules to convert non-standard POS to standard POS. Here, first point is every term must have all variables. Every term must have all variables. Second one, if any variable is missing, add it. If any variable is missing, add it. Okay, now let me ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ POS. Okay, example number 1. Okay, let me delete this one. Convert the normal POS A plus B bar, sorry, A plus B bar plus C, B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Okay, now I will take it as Y. Okay, like this. A plus, I am writing again, A plus B plus C, B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Y is equal to, here which is the missing, you see, when we look into this expression, here there are 4 variables A, B, C, D. In the first term D is missing, so we have to add A plus B bar plus C plus D dot D bar. In the second term, I am writing second term as it is, B bar plus C plus D bar, A bar, B bar plus C bar plus D. Now is equal to, see, combine A plus B bar plus C plus D. Again write this one, A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Next, B bar plus C plus D bar plus A dot A bar, which is the missing term here, A. So A dot A bar. Now I am writing again this one, A, last term I am writing A plus B bar plus C bar plus D is equal to A plus B bar plus C plus D, A plus B bar plus C plus D bar, B bar plus C plus D bar plus A. Next I am continuing this one here, B bar plus C plus D bar plus A bar. Next A plus B bar plus C bar plus D is equal to is equal to okay. Now here A bar B bar, which is the repeated term here, B bar C D bar A. Okay, now write here A plus B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Next here A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. A plus B bar C plus D bar, A B bar C D bar D. One second. A plus B bar C bar D bar, B bar plus C A, A bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Now here A plus B bar plus C plus D, A plus B bar plus C D bar. Next you write this one. This expression B bar plus C plus D bar plus A bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. This is your final expression. This is your final expression. You can write in order also. Okay, so it looks good. Next one is next problem. Convert second one. Convert the below non-standard function in standard POS. Okay, let me take y is equal to A bar plus B plus C, B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C bar, C bar plus D. Here in the first term D is total, there are 4 variables A, B, C, D. In the first term D is missing, so what I will do, A bar plus B plus C plus D dot D bar. Okay, now I will write B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. So I am writing here A bar plus B bar B plus C plus D into A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. Okay, now in the next term, which is missing, A is missing. Okay, A is missing, so let me do like this. A. Okay, for this one B bar plus C plus D bar, okay, plus A dot A bar. So here a bar plus b plus c plus d, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar, a plus b bar plus c plus d bar, a bar plus b bar plus c plus d bar. Now this is the last term. I am writing again. Okay, the last term. This is a plus b bar plus c bar plus d. So here is equal to last term a bar plus b plus c plus d, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar, a bar plus b bar plus c plus d bar, a bar plus b bar plus c plus d. Sorry, this is your final answer. This is your final answer. Next, let me in the next video let me explain max term. In the next video ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಇದೇನಿದು ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.